Good day, friends. Today we're diving into a topic that's like the spicy subplot in the grand saga of international law, the North-South divide. It's a bit like the plot twist we never saw coming. And trust me, it's more exciting than your favorite Netflix series. So grab your legal notepads and let's get into it. Imagine the world stage as a massive theater where nations play their parts. Now, at stage left, we have the North, the big players, the powerhouses. These are the countries that have been setting the rules of the game for quite a while. On stage right, we've got the South, the rising stars, the underdogs, hustling to get their moment in the spotlight. Now let's talk some law. The North has been like the headlining act in the international law concert. They've been crafting treaties, shaping principles, and pretty much running the show. But here's the plot twist. We need to make sure this isn't a one-genre concert. The South deserves a solo too, right? Think of international law as a playlist. If it's all rock and roll, we're missing out on the sweet melodies of jazz, hip-hop, and maybe a bit of K-pop. We want a legal playlist that everyone can groove to. Now let's talk cash, moolah, dinero economics. The North has been riding the economic roller coaster for ages, while the South is trying to catch up. It's like a game of Monopoly, but the rules are a bit skewed. We need a legal referee to make sure it's a fair game. Imagine playing Monopoly where one player starts with half the board and a hotel on every property. Not fair, right? We need some legal house rules to balance the game. Cue the geopolitical drama. The North often takes center stage in international institutions, calling the shots. But guess what? It's time for an ensemble cast. We need more than just one director in this global movie. The South deserves a seat at the director's table. It's like organizing a big event where only one person gets to choose the playlist, the menu, and the guest list. It's time for a committee, folks, a legal committee that represents everyone. In conclusion, the North-South divide isn't just a backdrop. It's a dynamic force shaping the storyline of international law. We're not rewriting history. We're writing a new script that includes everyone. It's about creating a legal masterpiece where every nation, North or South, has a role to play and a voice to be heard. So, as you navigate the twists and turns of international law, keep in mind that we're crafting a legal narrative that reflects the diversity, aspirations, and challenges of the entire global cast. It's not just about who takes the spotlight. It's about creating a legal masterpiece that resonates with every nation in this grand theater of international law. This video is just a starter to illustrate world politics and its outcome, especially after the Second World War. It is just a tip of the iceberg, and there is much more to cover and discuss. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel so I can share the second part that will provide you with a detailed account of international lawmaking. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you for watching.